I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Tumblr. For that, first of all, open up your Tumblr app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of Get Started. Tap on it. Enter your age and then tap on Next after you have read the privacy policy and agree to the terms of service of Tumblr. Now pick the categories that you like. After you are done, tap on Next, which is on top right of your screen. A video will come up on your screen. Watch the video to know about Tumblr and how to use it. Then, to get started, tap on the home icon. After that, tap on the profile icon, which is on bottom right. Enter your email address. Set a password. And then enter your name. After that, tap on Done, which is on top right of your screen. This way you can sign up on Tumblr. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.